Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased.
Hey there everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix. Today I'm going to be making some Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs. This is going to be the last of the home decor Christmas DIYs for the year. Next week I'll be focusing on more of gift baskets and homemade gift ideas for you guys. And then the week after that, I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing because that's the week before Christmas. If you guys have any ideas or anything you want to see on my channel, let me know down in the comments below. Also, just so you guys know, I'm going to be dedicating myself to posting every Tuesday and Thursday. Those are going to be my days. I know I've kind of been all over the place. If you guys have been with me since the beginning or early on, I kind of just post whenever, but I do have a video at least every week. So now I'm going to dedicate myself and do Tuesdays and Thursdays. So that's going to be the goal. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to stick around by hitting that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss out on a new video. All right, with all that being said, let's get into the DIYs today. For this first DIY, I'm going to be making a kissing ball out of one of these larger ornaments from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use some of this garland from Dollar Tree as well. And I'm also using a piece of scrap ribbon that this ribbon came from Walmart. I used it to decorate my Christmas tree with. So what I'm going to do is just use that to make a hanger to hang this kissing ball with. So I just wrapped the ribbon around the ornament and hot glued it at the bottom and then hot glued it on both sides. Now what I'm going to do is just tie a knot to make sure it's secure onto the ornament, and then I'm going to hot glue both the ends of the ribbon at the top to create a loop to hang it with. Now what I'm going to do is take that 15-foot garland and I am going to start at the top of the ornament right underneath the loop I created, and I'm going to start wrapping it around the ornament. So I used hot glue to secure the garland down to the ornament, and I just continuously wrapped the garland all the way around it. I did use a lot of hot glue to make sure the garland stayed in place, and you do have to hold the garland down for a few seconds after you apply the hot glue so that way it sticks really well. Now what I'm doing here is just giving my kissing ball a little bit of a haircut, just a trim, because it was a little bit crazy looking, so that way it's more cohesive looking now. And then I'm going to take these white berries from Dollar Tree, and what I did was I just picked off some of the single berries as best as I could, and then I just took some hot glue and glued the berries to the ball all over. It didn't matter where, I just kind of did it sporadically. And then after I got the single berries on, I looked at it and decided that it was just it didn't look right. So I went ahead and made the berries, the single berries that I glued on, I made them triple berries. So I just glued them in sets of 3. And that was it. I think this turned out so cute and perfect for my entryway.
But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you so I'm letting go.
The next DIY you could use as a door hanger or a wall hanger. I'm going to use 3 of these wood Christmas trees. Now you see me here painting them white. Well, ignore that because I decided to paint them with some chalkboard paint. So that is what I'm doing here. I am painting all 3 of the Christmas trees with 2 coats of chalkboard paint. So I'm turning them into little chalkboards. So after the chalkboard paint was all dry, I took a piece of chalk and I just shaded over all of the chalkboards and then wiped it down. This just helps prime the chalkboards after you paint with the chalkboard paint. So I guess you can write on them a little bit better. To hang all three of these chalkboard trees together, I'm going to be using some ribbon. This ribbon is from Joann Fabrics. This past weekend, it was 50% off. So I picked up this for only a couple bucks. But you could definitely use Dollar Tree ribbon or whatever ribbon you would like that goes with your decor. So what I did was I just laid the ribbon out and I lined up my trees along the ribbon vertical and spaced them out, and then I cut the ribbon to the length that I needed it. Then I dovetailed the end of the ribbon at the bottom, and now what I'm doing is I'm just coming back with my hot glue and hot gluing the chalkboard trees to the middle of the ribbon, just long ways all the way down vertical. The last thing that I did to this was make a bow for the top of the ribbon. I just cut another piece of that ribbon and I hot glued both of the ends to the center of the ribbon and then pinched the front of the ribbon together and hot glued that down. And then I cut another piece of ribbon to just wrap around that center there and hot glue it so it kind of creates a little bow tie. Then I just hot glued that little bow to the front of the top of the ribbon of the chalkboard signs. Then on the back of that ribbon, I cut another piece of the ribbon to hot glue that down to make a little loop to hang this with. And that was it. I think this turned out so cute and you could do so much with it for the holidays.
Everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill.
Okay, this next DIY needs no explanation. I mean, it's super easy. I'm using one of the bags from Dollar Tree, which are so awesome. I just love the designs on them. And honestly, I've seen people do this on other channels, so you guys have probably seen it too. So I really didn't need to include it in this video, but I really just wanted to cut this bag out and frame it because I wanted it for my decor. So I was just being a little bit selfish here. I know I've seen like Jennifer from a little bit of Calm and Crazy. She did a few of these bags and she used some wood sticks to frame out hers, which are so awesome. Check her channel out. I mean, there's just so many ideas for these bags because they are just so pretty. So I just cut it out and put it back in the frame, and that was it. And it's just such a nice piece to add to your Christmas or holiday decor.
Making our Christmas memories, oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas.
Like the previous DIY, this one is going to be super simple as well. All I'm doing is taking 3 of these glass jars from Dollar Tree. You could use whatever glass jars you would like. I just chose these ones because, well, they were already in my stash. And then I'm going to make some wintry scenes in them. For the snow, I'm going to use baby powder, which I already had, and I am just going to go ahead and shake those down to the bottom of the jar, and I'm going to lay them sideways because I like the way that they lay it sideways, and wipe the inside because some of that baby powder dusted up on the glass, so I'm going to clean it off a little bit. And then I took 3 of these Bottle Tree brushes that I got from somewhere a long time ago. Could have been Dollar Tree, not sure, but I'm just placing 1 in each one of these jars and then placing the lids back on, and that is it to this project.
Christmas memories, oh, oh, la, 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 oh, 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 la, 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 oh, oh, la, 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 la.
For this final DIY, I'm going to use a pack of these 15 small ornaments from Dollar Tree and one of these candle plates from Dollar Tree as well. They are typically clear, but I painted mine previously for a different project a long time ago, so you can paint yours or leave yours clear however you would like. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue all of these ornaments around the candle plate. So what I'm doing first though is taking a candle that I'm going to be using on the plate. This one is a 3-wick candle from Bath & Body Works, and I'm just placing that on the plate so that way I know where to hot glue my ornaments down at. So that way when I place my candle on the plate or pick it up from the plate, it won't mess with the bulbs and I'll have enough space for it to sit there. So I just hot glued all of the ornaments around the edge of the candle plate. I used about 11 ornaments in all, and I think that this would be such a perfect gift to give somebody and pair it with one of the Bath & Body Works candles. They're having a sale this weekend, and you can make one of these candle plates to give along with your candle, and you can get ornaments to match your candle, and I think that would be so perfect as a gift.
For you, I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna...
Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed these Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below what you think I should do for the week before Christmas for videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and happy holidays.
Those carols that you love, we'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up.